This episode of What Keeps You Up at Night is sponsored by Cybersecurity Ventures and their new CISO 500 list. Get every Fortune 500 Chief Information Security Officer's organization, full contact info, and much more when you subscribe to Cybersecurity Ventures' regularly updated CISO 500 list. Learn more at cybersecurityventures.com/CISO-500. My guest today is co-founder and CEO of Cylynt, formerly SmartFlow Compliance Solutions. Ted Miracco's high technology experience spans 30 years in defense electronics, RF and microwave circuit design, semiconductors, electronic design automation, and cybersecurity. Prior to SmartFlow, Miracco co-founded EDA company AWR Corporation, acquired by National Instruments in 2011. Ted holds a Bachelor of Science degree in electrical engineering from Carnegie Mellon University. Ted, what keeps you up at night?
Scott, after that introduction, you're making me feel old. So I guess the thing that's keeping me up at night these days is we are living in turbulent times with the pandemic and the social unrest and everything else that's going on. In the field that we're in, anti-piracy, we have seen a huge surge in software piracy. So this is a troubling trend. I think as workers have been displaced and are working at home, a lot of them have found that they don't have access to necessarily the design tools that they need to do their job. Maybe they don't have access through a VPN into their networks. So they are very resourceful people, and piracy is very much on the rise all over the world. You know, we're seeing it everywhere. We can monitor that data, and we got our fingers on the pulse of software piracy. And this is a threat to corporations. You know, malware, everything else associated with these counterfeit licenses can all infiltrate companies, can lead to IP theft, can lead to DDoS attacks. All kinds of bad things can happen, as you well know, from these kind of illicit software programs.
How can some of our viewers maybe learn a little bit more about what you guys are doing there, Ted?
Well, I think the easiest thing to do is to just come to our website. Cylynt is spelled CYLYNT.com, so it's easy to type in and find, a lot easier than typing in SmartFlowCompliance.com, so that's another advantage to the rebranding.
Smart.
Yeah, absolutely. And, we have a lot of information there, obviously, because we're in the security area, and we don't tell everybody everything that we do on our website. It's a little bit, vague at times. So call us. We can be reached, send us an email, sign up for one of our events.
Yeah, look forward to having you back, and keep up the great work that you and your team are doing there, fighting those software piracy out there and keeping things safe for us all. Appreciate it.
Excellent, Scott. It's always a pleasure. Thank you very much for having me.